Want to build a sales and performance insights dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our sales data into Bricks. Simply click Import Data and select your file. The data uploads instantly. Now click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our data, identifying key patterns and relationships. It's automatically generating the perfect visualizations for sales analysis. The AI creates revenue trends, regional breakdowns, performance metrics, and detailed tables. It understands what matters most for sales insights and builds accordingly. Our Sales and Performance Insights dashboard is complete with 6 dynamic charts and 3 comprehensive tables covering revenue trends, regional performance, and customer segments. We can instantly switch themes to match our brand or presentation needs. Now let's enter presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This clean, distraction-free view is perfect for boardroom presentations. Charts are optimized for large screens, data tells a clear story, and navigation stays simple and professional. Teams can focus entirely on insights without dashboard clutter. Back to edit mode. We can scroll through all our interactive widgets, customize any element, and dive deeper into the data. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.